You can download the jDeploy IntelliJ plugin at the GitHub repository. Right now we're using GitHub releases to release the plugins. Eventually we will be posting it on the marketplace. So to start with, go to this URL. It's shana and then jDeploy IntelliJ plugin. There's a README page with information, but for now we're just going to go to the releases. So we'll do the master snapshot. This is the release that is generated every time there's a commit to the master branch. And you're going to click on the snapshot zip, and that will download to the wherever you have it download to. Mine goes to the downloads directory. There it is. So the next thing I'm going to do is open IntelliJ, and we'll click on the plugins tab to get to the plugins. If you already have a project open, you may need to open the IntelliJ settings, and you'll find plugins under there also. And we're going to click on the gear tab and install plugin from disk. You'll notice I already have it installed here, but I'm going to install it again as it's the same process. And I'm going to find the snapshot that I downloaded. And when it's done, it should give me this little restart IDE button. I will restart it now. And now let's verify that it installed correctly. So we'll go to New Project, and we should see jDeploy in the left menu as one of the options for the project type. Thank you for watching this tutorial.